So we start some general stretch first. Inhale, both arms up. Stretch your arms. Stretch your spine and look up. Exhale, slowly bring your arms down. Inhale, both arms up. Stretch your arms, stretch your spine and just look up. Exhale, slowly bring your arms down. Inhale, both arms up. Finger lock, palm facing up. Stretch your arms and little push your hip front and then just look up. Exhale, bring your both arms down. Inhale, both arms up. Finger lock, palm facing up. Stretch your arms, stretch your spine and look up. 1, stomach in. 2, hip front. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax your hands. Both hands up. Finger lock, palm facing up. Stretch your arms, stretch your spine, push your hip front, and then push your shoulder behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax your hands. Dantai Saulu, finger lock from behind. Your spine straight, your legs straight, stomach in, and then bend down. Thangchen, Thanglung, Hobu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back. Inhale, both arms up again. Finger lock, palm facing up, the same like before. Stretch your arms, stretch your spine, your hip front, middle position, and push your shoulder, your arms behind. 1, 2, all focus, opening your shoulder and the upper back. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, both arms down, Dantai Saulung. Exhale, bend down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. Still same, finger lock from back side. Inhale, open shoulder. Try to lift up your spine, your rib cage. Push your hip front, drop shoulder, and then look up. Mainly focusing your upper back and your shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come back. Exhale, tiap tu, bend down. Kuiswang, Thangchen, Obo, Thanglung. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. One more time the same. Lift up your spine, lift your rib cage, exhale, drop shoulder and your head. 1, 2, second time repetition. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, then bend down, Kuiswang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Gapchan, Taiswang. Bend your legs, both hands down. Put your right leg back. Both hands up. Inhale, and just bring your both palm together. 1, 2, 3, high lunge. 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, exhale, both hands down first. Chanfai lane, and then just try to touch your left leg. Tham Chanchai, your left leg straight. 1, and then keep your right leg up. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Chukchan, your both legs together. and then just squeeze one, bend down. 1, 2, Thangchen. Do not bend your legs. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, both hands up. Hit bow, high thigh length. Chop thigh. Exhale, bend down. Hold your ankle, just touch your legs. Chân chai lùi sau, put your left leg back. Both hands up. Inhale, the same high lunge position. Thang thai, thang long, thang chân chai. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, exhale, high thigh swan, chân chai lane. Your left leg up in the standing split pose. 1, thang chân fly everybody. Your right leg straight. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Legs together, chuk chan. Inhale, both hands up. Hit bow, high thigh lane. Chuk thigh. Exhale, again bend down, kui suang. Same repetition. Second time, chan fly kui sao, your right leg back. Same position. High thigh lane, both hands up. Bring your both palm together. 1, Pochut Mong Swan. 2, Thang Thai Thang Lung. 3, 4, Chan Fly Sao. 3, 5, and now 6. High Thai Swan. Chan Fly Lane, your right leg up, the same like before. Lower your left leg, that is very important. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Chân phải xuống, chân trái 6, plank pose, chaturanga, upward dog, downward dog, chân phải chuột, right leg in between your arms, both hands up. Inhale, just palm together, the same like before. High lunge position. 1, breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, exhale, both hands down. High thigh swan. Chân chai lane, your left leg up. 1, right leg straight, thang chân 5. Lock your right knee. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Chuk chan, your legs together. Hit bow, high thigh lane, both hands up. Chap thigh, just palm together. Those are high thigh swan. Relax your hands. Tatka hit bow. Those are. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Thigh filing. Right hand up. Inhale. Stretch your right hand. Exhale. Bend on your left side. Give your whole side rest extension. 1, 2. Top chin toe. Focus on your breath. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. Left hand up. Inhale, Tai Chi lane. Stretch your left arm, your spine. Exhale, bend on the right side. Focus on your hip. Also, little push your hip from neutral position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. Left hand back, right hand up. Inhale, stretch your right hand, left shoulder down. Exhale, bend on the left side. Give the whole side rest extension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, come back, inhale, exhale, relax. Tai Chi Sao Long, Tai Chi Lane, right hand on the back, left hand up, inhale, and exhale, bend on the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, inhale, come back, exhale, relax, both hands up, finger lock or palm together, inhale, stretch your arm, same, focus on the hip, push your hip front, inhale, exhale, bend on the left side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, inhale, come back, exhale, bend on right side the same, 1, 2, breathe in, 3, 4, 5, and now 6, inhale, come back, exhale, high thigh swung, relax your hands, one more time, both hands up, inhale, this time a little gap in between your both arms, stretch your arms, your spine, same your hip, and exhale, then bend on the left side, Tap Chung Them on your right hand, Tap Chung Them Tai Phi, stretch, extension, and then stay, 1, breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, inhale, come back, deep breath, exhale, the same, bend on right side, holding the posture, try to focus more on your breath, 1, hip bow and toes up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, very good, inhale, come back, exhale, Kui Swam, bend down, but try to put your both palm under your feet. Khom Dua, Khom Sao, you can palm side of your feet. Khom Dua, Nam Hai Ko Chan, you have a 3 option. But any option, Thang Chan, your legs should be straight. Thang Chan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Chan Phi Lui Sao, your right leg back. Sorry. You can go. High thigh lane, inhale. High thigh lane, both hands up. Exhale, just a little, bend back. Inhale, come back. Exhale, Tai Swung. Chân Chai Sao, plank pose, Nin Thang, Chaturanga, Thao Ra, upward dog, hip bow, downward dog, Thao Ra, Thang Lai Thang Chen Thang Lung Ho Hu, arm straight, your spine straight, your legs straight, and pulls, suck your stomach in. Chan Phi Chua, right leg in between your arms. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, bend back just a little. Inhale, come back. Exhale, Tai Swung. Chan Phi Lui Sao, plank pose, Nin Thang. Chaturanga, Thao Ra. Hip bow, upward dog, Thang Tai Wide and Nin Lane. Shoulder up, look up. Downward dog, Thao Ra. Exhale. Chan Chai Lane. Chan Chai Chua. Same. Hip bow, high thigh lane, both hands up. Exhale, bend back. The same, lift up your spine. Inhale, come back. Exhale, Tai Swung. Chan Chai Sao, plank pose. Chaturanga, Thao Ra. Shoulder up, Y lane. Hip bow, upward dog. Thang Tai, Y lane, Nin lane. Thao Ra, downward dog. Chan Phi lane, Chan Phi Chua, hip bow, high thigh lane, Thao Ra, bend back. Inhale, come back. Exhale, Tai Swung. chân trái chuột, hít vào, thở ra cúi xuống, hít vào, hai tay lên, chụp tay palm together, thở ra hai tay xuống, relax your hips, open your legs sidewise. Again, both hands up, finger lock, palm together, inhale, and exhale, bend on the left side. 1, breathing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, inhale, come back, exhale, bend on the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, inhale, come back. This time a little gap in between your arms. Stretch your arm, hip, same every time, and again bend on the left side. Focus on your stomach. Pull your stomach in and keep lifting upward. 1, breathing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, inhale, come back, exhale, now the same on the right side, stretch your arms, lengthening your spine. 1, breathing, 2, you can do a little, not a problem. Tap in, không sao, but tap chung thêm, tap thọ. 4, 5, and now 6, inhale, come back, exhale, down tay sau lưng and cúi xuống, finger lock from behind and then just bend down, tap the counter, your leg straight, lock your knee, 1, breathing, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, gập chân mông xuống, chop tay in the temple pose, bend your legs, push your hip down and your elbow on the knee, everybody. Push the knee out, very common and a very basic posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that ka high thigh leg, your both hands up. Same thing, mông xuống thẳng lưng. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6, thigh swung. Everybody jump and chaturanga. Upward dog, hít vào. Downward dog, thở ra. Chân trái lên. Chân trái chuộc. Hít vào, hai tay lên. Thở ra, bend back, and now hold this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, tay xuống. Plank pose, ninh thăng. Chaturanga, thở ra. Upward dog, hít vào. Downward dog, thở ra. Chân phải lên. Chân phải chuột. Hít vào, hai tay lên. Thở ra, bend back. 1, breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, tay xuống. Chân phải sau, plank pose. Ninh thăng, look front. Chaturanga, bend down, elbow bend. Upward dog, inhale, your arms straight, lift your shoulder up, look up. Downward dog, thở ra, exhale. Balan Hipothosa, 3 times, deep breathing. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Chân trái lên, your left leg up. chân trái chuộc, left leg in between your arms. Again, hít vào, hai tay lên. This time open arms a bit. Stretch your arm, also stretch, lift up your rib cage and exhale, then try to be bent back. 1, try to connect and engage your whole spine. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, just thigh swung. Drop your right heel down. Everybody up, just come in the warrior 2 pose. Ning chai, look up at the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Left hand under left leg, hold your right wrist. Nam ko thigh 5. Keep your chest out and then just look up. Focus more on your right shoulder, opening your shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Very good. Thigh swung. Chân trái sau, plank pose, nhìn thẳng, hít vào. Chaturanga, thở ra, exhale. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. 3 times, deep breathing. Balan, hít vào thở ra. Everybody inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Chân phải lên, right leg up. Chân phải chuộc, right leg in between arms. Inhale, both hands up. Lift your arms, your spine, a little gap in between your arms. Exhale, then try to be bent back. If you can maintain, try to keep your head in between your both arms. 2, breathing. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Inhale, come back. Exhale, thigh swung first. Everybody drop your left heel down. Just roll in the warrior 2 pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Right hand on the right leg. Hold your left wrist. Thigh 5, sau chân 5. Namko thigh chai. Keep your chest out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Thigh swung. Chân trái chuộc, left leg front. Cúi xuống. 1, breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Hít vào, hai tay lên, both hands up. Chop tay, palm together. Thở ra, tay xuống. Again 3 times, deep breathing only. Balu, hít vào, thở ra. Everybody inhale. Exhale. Hít vào. Thở ra. Hít vào. Thở ra. Jump chân, open legs or sidewise. One come front, one go back. Left foot left side. We'll go the triangle. Jang thigh. Drop your left hand down, right hand up. Expansion in your shoulder. And look up at the right palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Maintain the same position. Both arms up a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on the left side and reverse triangle. Right hand down, left hand up. Hip square, thang mo, knee lane. 1, 2, 3, 5, and now 6. Good. Thigh swung. Everybody up, and then turn back. We go another side. Right foot right side. Inhale. Exhale. Lengthen maximum on the right side from your upper body. Right hand down and left hand up. You have to give the expansion in your shoulder maximum. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Now same, both arms up. 1, breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, come back. Jantai, open arms. Turn on the right side. Reverse triangle now. Your left hand down, right hand up. Touch one, thigh length. Thang long, your hip square. 1, 2, 3, breathing. 4, 5, and now 6. Both hands down. Slowly come up. And now just relax. Keep your both legs closer. Come front on the mat. Here we go now, the back bending. Few repetitions first. Both hands on your hip, high thighs are long. Inhale, open shoulder. Exhale, drop your shoulder, push your hip front, and then just bend back. Thang chan try, legs straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back. We'll go the second time. Land high. Om high thigh sound long. Put your both hands on your lower mid back. Inhale, open shoulder. Exhale, drop your shoulder and then push your hip front, drop your head down. 1, elbow closer everybody. 2, hip bow and thumbs up. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, both hands up, palm together, chop thigh, thumbs up, bend down, cúi xuống. You can hold your ankle, nam hai cổ chân. 1, breathing. 2, 3, 4, and now 5. Gap chan, and then just try to be monk swan. Your right elbow on the left knee, just palm together, and then keep the chest out and look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Tham chan, cúi xuống, bend down. Same another side. Gap chan, mong xuống, bend legs, hip down, and just for the twist, another side. Palm together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Tham chan, cúi xuống, bend down. We'll go second time. Gap chan, mong xuống. Cross your left leg with the right hand and keep your left arm straight over the head. A bit intensive twist. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you okay? 5, 6. Tham chan, cúi xuống, bend down. Same practice, another side. Gap chan, mong xuống, bend legs, push your hip down. Cross your legs on the right side, left hand down, right arm straight over the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Tangent, Hui Swung. 1, breathing. 2, tangent. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Hit bow, hai tai lên, palm together. Thở ra, tai xuống. 3 times, deep breathing. Balance, hit bow, thở ra. Tất cả, hít vào, thở ra. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Hít vào, hai tay lên. Exhale, bend down, cúi xuống. Everybody jump and chaturanga. Upward dog, inhale. Downward dog, exhale. Chân trái lên. Chân trái chuộc. And now up. And then go in the twist on the left side. Right hand on the left knee and palm together. 1, breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second, Tai Chi Swan, your right hand down and left arm straight over the head, Thang Tai Chi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Tai Swan, plank pose. Inhale, look front, in thumb. Chaturanga, exhale. Upward dog, inhale. Downward dog, exhale. 3 times deep breathing. Everybody inhale. Exhale. Hít vào. Thở ra. Inhale. Exhale. Chân phải lên. Chân phải chuộc, right leg in between arms. Everybody up. And now turn on the right, left leg on the right knee, palm together. Intensive twist pose, extended triangle variations. 1, 2, you try to keep your palm in between your chest and try to feel and observe your both shoulder aligned or not. 3, 4, 5, 6, and one more. Drop your left hand down, Tai Chi Swan, and right arm straight over the head. 1, 2, 5, 4, and now 6. Good. Tai Swan, chân trái chuộc, hít vào, thở ra, cúi xuống. Forward fold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, both hands up, palm together, chap tai, look up. Thở ra, Tai Swan. Again, 3 times, deep breathing. Tất cả hít vào, thở ra. Inhale, maximum. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Very nice. So this time, just a little gap in between your both legs. Inhale, both hands up. Bring your palm together. Exhale, bend down first. Try to hold your both ankles. Now Gapchan, Mong Swang. Your left hand under the left leg. Hold your right wrist. Keep your chest out and then just try to look up. 1, 2, Khong nói. Left hand, left leg, Khong yêu. Yes, nắm cổ tay phải. Come on, nắm cổ tay phải. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. And now don't lean on your right leg, everybody. Now just try to be straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Chân xuống and cúi xuống, bend down. Tai xuống, okay, relax, relax. Chân xuống, tai xuống, cúi xuống. And now the same another side. Gập chân mông xuống. So this time, thigh phải, sau chân phải, right hand under right leg, and nắm cổ tay trái. Hold your left wrist. Keep your chest out, and then try to look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Stand on your left leg and just maintaining the balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Chân xuống, tay xuống, cúi xuống, bend down, hold your ankle. Hít vào, hai tay lên, both hands up, palm together. Thumbs up, bend down, cúi xuống. We will go on the second variation of our last practice. A little open legs, một chút giang chân. So this will be a bit intensive, a bit challenging. So you maybe this time you can use the strap also. Gapchan first. So your right hand, thigh phải, under the left leg, and now you have to hold your left wrist. You go, and then chest out. Or you can use the strap also. A bit challenging, a bit intensive. Just try. This is you go for the intensive twisting and combine it with your hip stretch. On your same you do the twisting here, and this can go here. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Okay, one more variation is enough. Thang chân cúi xuống. Bend down, bend down, bend down, bend down, bend down. Open legs a bit. Hít vào, hai tay lên, both hands up first. Palm together, chụp tay. Thumbs up, cúi xuống, bend down. Now the same. Gập chân, một chút mông xuống. So take your time, your left hand. We did before. Left hand under your right leg. And then try to hold your right leg. Now go, thigh phải. 1, keep the chest out. Stomach in, hobo. The more you stomach in, the more you have chance to keep your chest out. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Good. Chụp chân, thang chân, cúi xuống, bend down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Hít vào, hai tay lên, both hands up, palm together. Thumbs up, tay xuống. Again 3 times deep breathing. Tatka hit wow. Thaza. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Very good. I'll take you back in the back bending. A little. Open the legs first. Put your hands on your thigh. So this time you have to remember and maintain your legs straight, and after lifting up the spine and then try to go down. Member maybe enough here is fine. Any member can down more, it's fine. So all depends on you. But khom bhi kapcha. You khom? Tapit khoms out, but thumb. Your legs should be straight. Tapit. So back bending, all you know is the align, like you keep lifting your spine, keep lifting your rib cage and then bend down. 1, bend back, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, quick bend down just for the relaxation. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back, everybody. So this time your legs closer. Same thing we'll try. Backward, do not go like here. Any back bending, you first try to be lifting your spine. Keep lifting your rib cage, expansion in the shoulder, maintain and then try to go. If you do here, so you will only work on the lower back. We have to connect our whole spine from upper to bottom. Come on, try. Same thing. Copy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, quick bend down and come front on the bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Everybody jump and chaturanga. Upward dog, inhale. Downward dog, exhale. Chai lane, left leg up, and drop your left leg on the right in the half wheel pose here. You can both thighs down, you can high touch from one hand down, both hands down. Mo chân gap, high chân gap, mo chân thang, mo chân gap, high chân thang, high chân gap. Anything you can be try. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back in the downward facing dog. Plank pose. Chaturanga. Upward dog. And downward facing dog. So the same, Chanfai lane, your right leg up, drop the right leg on the left side, half wheel pose. Optional practice, but make sure your arm position, it should be straight. 1, breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back in the downward facing dog. Everybody, take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Drop your both knee down, meow meow. Stand on your knee and Nam Hai Kocha. Tatka Biazoy, option more, option high, option bar, option more. You try here, stand on the toe, Khom Dua. You have 2 blocks with you. You all know about it. Come on, just try. Push your hip front, at least maintain the align your hip to knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back here. Downward facing dog. Thang tai thang chân thang lưng. Have a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Chân chai lane. Again, half wheel pose. Drop the left leg on the right side. We did before. Everybody try. High thigh swan. Drop your both hands down. From half wheel, just come in the complete wheel pose. Come on, try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. And now just move and come back in the downward facing dog. Move it. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chan fly leg, right leg up. Same. Drop the right leg on the left side. First, come in the half wheel. And if you can do it, then from half wheel, then slowly come in the complete wheel posture. Khong duak so khom sao. Khong kan. 1. You need to be confident on yourself. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come on. Downward facing dog, everybody. Thang tai thang chân thang lưng. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Thang chân. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now no pose. Stand on your knee. Everybody take a one block in between your thigh. Stand on the knee. Madam, you don't have? No need? Thigh. Take it and keep pressing it. Thigh. In between your thigh, everybody, here. Not the knee. Up a bit, thigh. And keep pressing the block and Nam Hai Kocha. Squeeze your thigh inside. You have the same option, pushing hip front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now relax. Come back, inhale. Exhale, relax. Everybody inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Downward facing dog. Thang tai thang chân thang lưng. Last 5 minutes. Again, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Chan chai lane. Chan chai chuak. Left leg in between arms. Inhale, both hands up, high thigh lane. Exhale, left hand on the left leg, Nam Ko Tai Phi. So option, you can be stay here. Option, you can be drop head. Option, you can be Tai Swan. Option more, high bar. Just choose any one option. 1, stand on your toe, everybody. Keep charging your right heel. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Tai Swan. Chan chai lane. Once again, left leg up, everybody. Hit bow. Thumbs up. Inhale. Exhale. Left leg in between your both arms. Chan chai chuak. High chin squat. Come in the monkey pose. Hanumanasana. Come on. Claim high foot. Just try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Downward facing dog and chin chaining. Left leg up. You know the options. Chin chai chuak. Again, Hemodlam, high chin swap. Complete front split pose. So this time you have your option. Option, just stay. Option high, gup, tai phi and tai chai nei. Hong Ruo Pom Sa. If you need something, tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 5. Okay, so downward facing dog. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Chan Phai lane, Chan Phai chuak. Inhale, both hands up, high thigh lane. Exhale, right hand on the right leg. Tai Phi, Sound Chan Phai. Namko Tai Chai, hold your left wrist. Option mode, Dao Swam. Option high, Dao lane. Option ba, Tai Swam. So if you can make the finger lock, you can drop your hands down. 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Tai Swam, relax your hands. Chan Phai lane, downward facing dog. Call in. Chan Phai chuak. High chin swap. Front split pose. Just try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Come back. Inhale. Exhale, relax. Once again, downward facing dog. Chan Phai lane. The last time. Khom noi. Chan Phai chuak. High chin swap. Monkey pose. Options free. You can stay here. You can Gap Tai Chai, Tai Phi lane, Hong Ruo Hong Kan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now Sita Katham Chan. It will go next. Relax, relax, move, relax. Jang Tai, open up shoulder level. Hit wow. Toes are Sang Chai, twisting left side. Inhale. Exhale, right side. Inhale. Exhale, left side. Inhale and exhale, right side. Inhale, exhale. Koi swang, bend down. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, And now 6. 6 buah. Gập hai chân. Ôm hai chân. And now some